So I'm sure a lot of you are at least a little bit familiar with what Ascend is. So we're just going to kind of gloss over the beginning bits of what Ascend is, how it helps you, and how to download the Ascend mobile application. Since this training will be available after it's completed, you guys will have access to go back through the slides and read all the bits of information that we just kind of gloss over in the beginning. So Ascend is a secure, encrypted, real-time, cloud-enabled data platform that brings together all the necessary tools for field sales agents to have meaningful engagements with your prospective members. You also have a lot of other functions within the system, such as an electronic scope of appointment, audio recording, and you can play your sales videos through the mobile application. So we designed it specifically for the insurance industry in mind. It's available on iOS platforms and Windows platforms. So what will Ascend do for you as a sales agent? It's going to protect your business. It's going to decrease the administrative work of filling out the paper applications that you're used to. It helps you keep the sales that you've worked so hard for. Since they're electronic enrollments, they are received on the same day to your enrollment department, which means that there is a lot of a quicker turnaround time for beneficiaries receiving their welcome letters. Keeps you connected with the field and compliant through a simple application. And helps agents create a clean, smooth, and professional presentation. So for Centene, we actually have an integration with Salesforce. So in phase one, we completed it in 2018. Salesforce sent information to Ascend. And this year, we actually completed the second phase where Ascend will send updates back to Salesforce. So what that means is your managers have a better way to really make sure that those leads are getting to you and they have line of sight on the leads and meetings that you guys are completing in the field. So getting familiar with Ascend, there are three components of Ascend. We'll mainly be focusing on the Ascend mobile application and the Ascend quote and enrollment, which is what you guys use in the field. And your managers use the Ascend real-time manager. Everyone at one point or another will go to the Ascend real-time manager to download the mobile application, but that's mainly the manager component that they focus on. So the Ascend real-time manager, like I said, is where you will download the mobile application. It's the location where your recordings get uploaded from AMA, which we'll get into later on. So that is where they get uploaded and magically disappear to. The Ascend mobile application is the sales and enrollment platform that's on your iPad or your Windows device, such as your laptop, where you conduct and record your sales meetings, and where you manage your book of business and track your lead or prospect information. The mobile application is also where you submit all of your electronic enrollments. Next is the Ascend quote and enrollment, or AQE as we call it. This is the tool in Ascend that gives you the ability to compare plan info and choose the best plan for your prospect. This is where the enrollments are actually completed within AMA. So in AQE, you create your member profile with all of the formulary lookup tools, the pharmacy lookups, the provider lookups, and you gather all the information related to that beneficiary in order to complete your enrollment application. And as you can see, top agents have quite a few good things to say about Ascend and the ease of use and overall making it more successful as an agent.